begin with a quote. In the words of Brad Henry, a good teacher can inspire hope, ignite imagination, and instill a love for learning. Teachers' Day is celebrated on September 5th every year with lots of joy, happiness, and enthusiasm. It is observed on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and a teacher. He was also the second President of India. Students across the country observe this day as Teachers' Day to pay respects to the beloved people of the country. They shape our personality and also prepare us to face obstacles in life. It wouldn't be wrong to say that teachers are equal to parents. They teach us selflessly and treat us like their own children. No words can express how much you all mean to us children. You are the greatest of people, one of the greatest of the people in the world. I now am going to dedicate a poem that I wrote for all teachers. To all teachers, make your kids all beam, and that's just what you dream, for you love them from the end of your heart. Every day and night, you work so hard to make us feel alright. Books and pens, shouts and screams, it's all your life. Don't wanna see us sad, don't wanna see us mad. At times, she's our loving mother too. Thank you. On this special day, I wish all teachers Happy Teachers' Day.